Hi guys, I'm Ayush Mathur from Cyanogen and after a request on the forums, I'm going to demonstrate how to unlock the bootloader on the Yu Yureka. So now I assume you guys know how to activate developer mode in the Android and have activated the USB debugging feature in that. If you don't know that, ask me, I will tell you. I'll probably make another video of that later, but assuming that you have done that, we are proceeding now. So first of all, you need to boot your phone to the Fastboot mode and connect it to the PC. So I will tell you how to connect that in the this video itself ahead. Keep watching, but first let me tell you why are we installing the how are we installing the drivers, right? So when you connect the phone to your PC in the fast boot mode, go to the device manager, like right click the window button, and here we will see the device manager, and here you should see the first thing here, Android phone, Android ADB interface. If you are able to see this, that means your phone is connected into the ADB interface. Mean the drivers are correctly installed. Now that thing would take, but the first time you will connect, it will automatically try to install the drivers, but probably it won't, because there are no drivers for this phone on the Windows servers. So let me tell you how to install it, but first let me uninstall it. Okay, there you go. So how it will look if the drivers are not installed, let me show you. I'm disconnecting the phone right now, holding the volume up button and putting the USB inside the PC, and the red light glows and the fast boot mode appears on this phone. I'm just going to see the Windows has started installing the drivers, but I don't think it will able to install it. Let's just wait for the sake of peace of mind. By the way, in the meantime, you can go and see the PDA NAT software here. You can search on the Google PDANET. Otherwise, I have already put the link in the description. Here is the PDA NAT, or you can directly go to pdanet.co. Now you need to download it for Windows or Mac. Once you download it, the version you selected for the Windows, version 4.17, and it's a 3 MB file. It will get downloaded within seconds. Okay, the PDNet software is already up. The actually PDNet is a software which allows you to, what I can say, tether your internet from PC, from phone to PC, or might be possible that it works the reverse way also, but nobody uses it for that feature, because it's the only software which provides a lot of drivers of almost every device. I'm having a tablet which is unbranded, and it was able to install its drivers. So basically what it is doing is installing the universal drivers. So you can see it has finished installing the drivers, but I don't know if it's installed or not. It is not given me any notification or so. Windows should improve in that area. Okay, so let's just scan for hardware changes, and you can see it has fortunately installed the drivers. That's unusual. Maybe the drivers have been saved in the device, I mean the PC previously I have installed, but let me show you how to do that PDNet thing. I will go to the downloads here, and where I have downloaded the PDNet software. By the way, disconnect your phone now while it is installing, because we have to connect the phone while it gets installed. Now just tap on the next. Make sure there are no freeware installing with it. Okay, good, it has not given us any freeware with it. So now PDA adb.exe is detected. The process is installed by other software to communicate with the Android phone. It may conflict with PDA. Terminate adb process to prevent potential problem. I don't think you are going to get this notification, so I'm just going to tell him no and install the drivers. Existing here you may found this, that an existing Android USB drivers is found on your computer. You can reinstall it if it has problem. So you need to select yes to reinstall, and that will ask you please disconnect your phone from computer. So I have already disconnected. Select other because for Yu Yureka there is no, it is not mentioned. Even the even the latest phones from the Google are not mentioned here. So just tap on click on OK, and now it has told me that go to the USB debugging and development and activate that. But I am just connecting directly with it with the Fastboot mode. It won't matter. Now I'm gonna connect the phone to the into the Fastboot mode. So we have the Yu Yureka here, and it's been switched off. You can see it's not responding. And we have the data cable here, which is connected to the PC. Now you need to hold, you can see here's the volume buttons. You can put the phone on the desk like this and push the volume up button, and while pushing the volume up button you will going to insert the USB port here, and you can see the red light glows, and there you have it, the Fastboot mode. Do not disconnect the USB. So this is how you go into the Fastboot mode. If you want to come out of Fastboot mode, there is an option called reboot, which command which you have to give in the Fastboot command prompt, and it will reboot itself out of the Fastboot mode. You can of course disconnect the USB, but if you have done changes, you do not disconnect just like that. Alright, insert the USB drive into the phone. You will see the Fastboot mode, and there you go. The USB drivers are installed for this phone, and it will ask you to install the PDNet software in the phone. You can better not install that, and I'm going to uninstall this also by going to programs and features and PDNet, uninstall. It was just for installing the drivers, right? You don't really going to need this PDNet software. So just for the confirmation, we are well, I'm not actually going to install that unlock the bootloader, because I'm still exploring the phone without being unlocked, and so I'm just going to tell you the last step till the last step. So now there is an important thing. You need ADB drivers and Fastboot drivers to install it. One way is that you go and download the big application called Android Studio. This is how Android Studio looks, and make sure you also download the what I can say, this SDK manager, SDK files also with Android Studio, though it also comes with it. Make sure it's there. And now you need to make our command prompt learn that it has ADB things. So you need to go to the properties, right, this PC, and then right click go to properties, advanced system settings, and you will see here environment variables thing. Now here you will see a lot of things. Don't change anything. In the system variables you will find an option called path just below the OS. Click on that and click edit. Now we will have to paste the address here. Like I've already pasted it. Oops, what has happened? Okay, so I'm going to delete it first. Probably you wouldn't find this. You will find it up till here. Some pathway to the, I can say that, graphics drivers or so. So we will have to go to the place where the drivers are installed for the ADB and Fastboot. So if you have installed it through the Android Studio, you will find it in the C users and your username, then hidden folder called app data. You can of course view it through the hidden items thing, and here you will find a folder called local, and in local you will find folder called Android, and there it is, the SDK, and in this you will find the platform tools. So all this pathway you will find in the description if you want to check up later on. So now just click on the address bar, the whole thing will be get selected. Press Ctrl C, or you can right click and copy, and again go to the system properties, and just after the semicolon, if it's not there, put a semicolon and right click, paste. Make sure it comes after the semicolon, because it separates different paths. You can add different paths, like I have pasted the path of the platform tools through the SDK of the Android Studio. If not, you can go to this website called GitHub and /uplaygod, link in the descriptions, and then you can find there the factory image flash tools. Download it. Here's the download button, download zip, and extract the zip, and like I have downloaded it earlier in the downloads. Here's the file called factory image flash tools for Windows. Open it, and again open the other folder, or maybe you don't have the other folder. Click on that and right click to copy, and again go here, after the semicolon paste that. Now that is totally for those who don't want to install the full Android Studio, just want to have the Fastboot ADB drivers to unlock their phones. But if you are going to unlock the things and doing development things, I would prefer you install the Android Studio in your device, because it's really a nice IDE. So this is how you make the system, your command prompt, learn that there are drivers for it. They exist at that particular path. Click OK, and close everything. Now you just need to right click on the start button, see the command prompt mode in the admin mode, click yes, and there we have the command mode. Now there's a very important thing to note. You will have to check first if the device is connected or not. If you directly type the command called fastboot devices, it will probably return nil, because we have not given it the identity. So for identity we need to write fastboot space dash I space 0x, and what was the other 3 digits? Let me check it again on the forums. There is a post by the senior developer on the saying that he has demonstrated everything there. Probably the forum is not working right now. Let me go and check from someone else post. here how to root Micromax user. So here it is. He has mentioned here Fastboot I010x1 EBF. Okay, 0x1 EBF. I'll probably write it in the description. You don't need to go to that website or whatsoever. Fastboot space dash I space 0x1 EBF. That's the identity of the device. And again, devices. Now while your phone was already connected to the Fastboot mode while installing the drivers, you have probably haven't removed that. Here it should be connected, right? If it's not connected, please connect it again. Press enter, and there you will see some digits or characters here, and space and a Fastboot. So this shows the device is correctly connected, and you only need to write one more command called OEM unlock. Now after pressing the enter, it will do some magic and your phone will get unlocked. Yeah, the bootloader will get unlocked. Unlocking the phone, or I can say the rooting of phone, is another story. I will upload the video of rooting the phone in later videos if I unlock the phone in the recent future. But I was thinking to unlock the phone once the Lollipop update comes, so we get a better idea. Okay, so that was how to install the drivers for the ADB and the Fastboot and your phone, and in unlocking the bootloader, of course. Many guys have asked for that, so thanks for watching. Hit like if you like the video, and do share with your development beginner friends, and if you have any doubt, please post it in the comments, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.